does touch it, it's not going to trip there. It's not great that you have now combined the grounds and the neutral here, but you know, it's a lot better than it shorting out, right? So, I mean, when you do this and you've got a lot of wires, just make the S shape, okay? Bend your wires down and then up. Make sure your ground stays on the same side as the neutral wires, and then you've got your S shape and you're bending it in here, okay? Now we're finally getting to the ear part of this. We'll screw it in. Oh, it's screw good. That's okay. Go fast.